Greetings, and welcome to Heal Talk Tuesdays. This is Liza. It is so good to be here with you, isn't it? Well, here we are, only a few days away for the end of the year, and it is, wow, today is December 28th. We're coming to a close of the year, and I am grateful for being here with you and having this incredible year. It's like the older we get, the days go by so much faster, and we think of it as, where did the time go? And it's flying. Hello, Inga. Hello, beautiful sunshine girl. Every time I see you, I look at your pictures, I think, smile, orange blossoms, the day that we just pulled over at the side of the curb on a street on that beautiful highway, and we went into the blossom trees and took pictures. So in a way, that's what, tell me about it, someone stopped the clock, exactly. And you know, that's exactly what I'm talking about. This morning, it was very humble and a humbling experience and a very sad day for a friend of mine who lost, well, not lost, we call it lost, but his son died. And it's very sad because at the age of 19, it's hard for any parent to go through this, to bury their child. And yet when we are thinking about it, everything, it's about living and not existing. And it's been a talk of mine, a subject that I have brought up a lot is, are we living or are we just existing? Doing our daily routines, sorry for a moment, doing our daily routines and doing this monotonous thing of getting up and doing the same routines over and over and doing work, pardon me, it's about being grateful. All the years, every celebration, every single day, every hour, you know, as they were doing the eulogy, his mom was reading the hours, the days, the minutes, the seconds, how long he was alive. And when we think about it, seconds go by, minutes go by, hours go by, and it's not that we waste, but where do we put value? What do we value in life? Do you value yourself? Do you value your existence? Do you appreciate? And that is what I'm talking about. Yes, another year is going by, and there are a few things we must consider. It's like, to be healthy, to be in a sound mindset, we have to consider being healthy in all aspects of our life. Our wealth, our health, our relationships, our work, and our internal upkeep, mentally, physically, emotionally. So I put a client of mine who came in, and I put his testimonial out that about 3 weeks ago he came in here going through extreme anxiety. And now his testimonial was saying is, I don't know how I did it without the calming voice, without your help, without your guidance. I think we all need help at some point in our life, and we can't do it all by ourselves. So Some people have therapists. Others have friends, colleagues. Some go to church. And if you have someone that you confide in and ask for it, there is no shame in asking for help. You know, they say, what is the difference between hypnotherapy and just a regular psychology, going to a therapist? You know, it's all good. Even having a mentor, a confidant is awesome. We all need, and some people just, you know, get online and talk to someone online. It's all good, because asking for assistance and guidance and help, by golly, one of the best ways to empower myself, I not only read books, but I also go to seminars and everything. It's to elevate yourselves. Ask any successful person, and they are elevating their mindset. So when we are talking about our mindset, the core, which is the self-esteem, self-value, self-appreciation, that is where transformation begins. You know, one of the biggest quotes from Rumi is, I am not this hair, I am not this skin, I am the soul that lives within. So when we are talking about the soul, it's who we are, not what we are. And yet, who we are with and the things we do, how we expand, how we elevate ourselves matters. And you've heard me to talk so many times, to heal within is to delve deeper within. That's why I'm doing my seminar on January 9th, which is breaking through self-limiting beliefs, breaking through habits, and leaving the old and choosing the new, stepping into the new you, whatever that is. Most people, I don't know, do you feel the same? Tell everyone what you do. People need you. Oh, thank you, Inga. What do? I help transform you from where you are to where you want to be, right? Which is exactly, that's what I'm talking about. January 9th, I'm doing a 2-hour workshop. It's called Breaking Free from Negative Habits, breaking free from self-limiting beliefs, breaking free from anxiety, and stepping into the new you. Why? Because anything that we want to do in life, we must evoke it first. That means acknowledge it, understand it. As a hypnotherapist, I guide you to a place within yourself. You see, when I say help, everyone needs a guide. I got my guide over 25 years ago to be where I am. So now that I have come into embracing, appreciating, and accepting the reality, the here and now, that's why I have a business coach, I have a mentor, I have a mastermind coach, I have people who assist me, I have someone who assists me with social media, outside of the ones that I do. You see, it's just like I have an accountant, there's also the bank. We all have people who help us. You do as well. So why not utilize it so you can evolve to what it is that you want? What do you want? How do you want to live in the year 2020? You know, they say talk is cheap. So it's not what you say, it's what you do with what you say. And I'm going back to this morning. So many kids, incredible families, incredible human beings themselves. who's at fault? It's not about fault. It's about choices in our lives. It is about choices in our lives. Because no matter what you do have a choice. So in a way, today's message is, no matter what has happened until now, until this day, what do you choose from now on? What do you want to create, to be, to live like tomorrow? It's not like start dreaming and not living for today. But if we turn around and say, what's your goal? What do you want to achieve? You want to be healthier? I can help you with that. I can help you with your weight issues. I can help you with your self-esteem. I can help you if you have a negative habit to let go of that negative habit and become healthier. If it is anxiety, I can help you with that. If it is physical, I can help you mental. I can help you emotional, realizing that every habit, every behavior, it is the emotion connected to that I can help you with. In a much faster, condensed way. Instead of years and years of therapy, instead of 9 months to a year of therapy once a week or twice a week, you come in about 7 to 9 sessions, you're done. You will see your negative habits turning into positive once you start believing in yourself, shifting that belief system. So the end of the year is a time of not only a closure, but a birthing you. The same way as in Christmas they say it was where the Christ was born. Now so many philosophers and people in history say that is not the day because those who are Orthodox believe that it was January 6th. So, you know, that's the beauty. We all have a belief, depending where we are born, who is our family, the traditions, the values, the ethics, and yet again, we do have a choice to abide, to follow, or to create. And you do too. Today, I want you to choose you. So that the hand, which is the wealth, the mindset, the body, your spirituality, and your creativity, your love, your relationships, so that you can hone all of that. And I wish you nothing but the best, because in life, the beauty is if you struggle to take criticism from others, you're basically saying you are perfect. And remember that it's not the criticism, but the critiques. And when you speak, no human is perfect. And remember, it's best to be bold instead of arrogant. It's best to be humble instead of having an ego or egotistic. It's going beyond your own expectations and living to the fullest. So today I want you to do this. Take a sheet of paper and write all the things that you can dream about, that you want to create. As a matter of fact, you know what? I'm all about writing. I love to write. And you can even share it with me. I love to write. So I write everything down. I've got books and books and books of all the things that I like to write and I want to create. So I broke it down. In January, here is 5 major things that I'm going to do. And in February, here's 5 major things. And I broke it down all the way to March. Here's 5 things I want to do. So this is goal setting. And what is the big vision? That in 2022, I've got 5 things that I want to happen. And so do that. Write 5 things you want to create or make happen, or you dream about happening in 2022. And then break it down and write 5 things in each month. So 4 quarters. The first quarter from January to March, and then June to August, and then from September, right? So you break it to every 3 months. And just think of this. 5 each month, right? And you've got 12 months. And you do that times 5. See how many goals you can achieve in 1 year. And the big vision of the 5. And that in itself, there is no way that you won't be able to be the success that you wish to be. So think about what you want to work on and do so. That's your gift to you for the new 2022. So if you are ready to break through, and if it's not for you, share it. Share it with a friend, share it with a client, share it with someone you care for. And actually, I'll put the link over here. Sign up, because come January 1, we are going to raise the fees. People are already signing up. It's only $97 for a 2-hour workshop with me. And we can do this. There's going to be assignments. There's going to be gifts. There's going to be so much. I want you to be the success. Physically, mentally, emotionally, mentally, personally, and professionally. Because you do matter and you deserve it. So I'm already starting on mine. Are you ready to step up and step into the new you? I hope so. From orange blossoms to healing within. May the new year bring you all you deserve and all you dream of. Pray up, step up, and it's about time you show up. My name is Liza. This is Heal Talk Tuesdays. And come next year, we're going to be doing amazing things together. I look forward to having you join me again in the new year. Until then, God bless you, and may the universal light surround you. And if you like this, share it, subscribe, and go to YouTube, and you'll see the rest of all my podcasts.